Hello class and welcome to Unit 4. This is a big week for us. This is midterm week. So let's just talk a little bit about that and then we'll go into the rest of the content for the week. So for your midterm, the really important thing to know is that you have two chances at completing the midterm. So if you take it once and you're not happy with your score, take it again. If you take it the first time and you get 100, perfect. You don't need to take it again, but make sure you utilize those two chances. The best score will prevail. So if you take it one time and then do worse the second time for some reason, your first score will still prevail. That's number one. In addition to that, we have the usual content for the week with discussion boards and interactive assignments. So make sure you get all of that stuff done, but I would hold off on taking the midterm until the latter part of the week. Go through the materials, make sure you fully understand Unit 4 before you take the midterm because the materials from Unit 4 will be in the midterm in addition to the materials from Units 1, 2, and 3. So that's everything you need to know about the midterm. I just want to say thank you so much for all your work so far. These first 3 weeks and a day have been fantastic. I have nothing but the highest hopes for the second half of this class. You all have been wonderful at reaching out and asking questions and looking for guidance and interacting with each other and helping each other out along the way through the discussion board. So keep that up. I love when we have that really nice sense of community in the class. But if you have questions, if you have problems along the way, please do reach out the same way you have been. So I wish you all the best of luck this week with your midterm. And again, I am here. You all are doing a wonderful job. I'm so excited for you to get through this week and beyond. And I think that's about it. The weather is absolutely beautiful here lately in Connecticut. I hope it's nice wherever you are. Sports are very entertaining right now. Lots of playoff action. But other than that, life is good. I am just in the final stages of recovery here from my little knee surgery that I had. But hopefully this time next week, I'll be walking around without any crutches or braces. So I'm very excited there. But hope you all are doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. All right. Bye.